What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Dummy Tech Talks. We have Todd here again.
What's up?
Woo! He's gonna have his own playlist soon, so if you like seeing him, just go to our Todd playlist. So Todd got something today, I think.
I did. I ordered it today and it came today. Ready? Ready? It's got cords.
It is by Havit.
Havit. Gotta have it.
It says, hello, thanks for choosing Havit.
Hello?
They're nice. And, what is it?
It is a keyboard.
Not just any keyboard.
RGB.
I believe it's mechanical, isn't it? It is definitely a mechanical keyboard. Nice and clickety.
Yeah, very clicky. And with a mouse as well.
Got a GPI button. Oh, that's an RGB button, so you can change it on the mouse instead of through software. That'll be nice and easy.
And a little wrist rest that can, I guess, clip in.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like one of the, I have a Corsair keyboard that has some, it's a very similar system here. Got mine. Alright.
So that is how it works.
Alright, well, it's mechanical, so we have to hear him. Type your name or something.
Not a quick typo, so that would be more like that, but I will play.
It is a gaming keyboard, so there you go.
I'm feeling that it curves around your fingertips. Like if you.
Oh yeah.
How does it feel?
Feels good.
How does the wrist rest feel?
I like the wrist rest. I do.
Yes, they're good.
I
Ergonomic.
like it very much. In fact, if it was me, because I'm weird, I think I'd prefer it down like that.
Okay. That is weird. Looks like the cords are really long too, which is good.
And they're sleeved, so they've got like a fabric sleeve on them.
Yes.
They're nice and wear resistant. Should we plug it in?
Let's plug her in.
Alright. See you there.
Alright, so we are here in the game/workstation and we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see what the RGB does.
Yep. He's borrowing the Vader PC you might
Yes.
recognize from one of our past videos.
And that's on.
Bam!
Woo,
Look at that.
okay.
Wow. That's a lot of rainbow.
I like it.
But it works, so that's a plus.
It is cool.
Alright,
How
so
does it feel?
Feels good.
It does feel good.
And check this out. There's this button. Bam. DPI. Now it's way faster.
Ooh.
And faster. Faster.
Wow.
Okay, now it's slow again.
So function F9
Whoa.
changes the variations of light effects. Nice. Okay, so that's just like
That looks. Oh, it's breathing. Different
it's
colors.
breeding different colors, and that's just constant rainbow. That's
Oh, I bet if I
that's
type.
if you. Nice. Okay. Very
that
cool.
blew my mind. Oh,
Very cool.
Not doing it now. All right, let's see what's next. I think it's a shadow now.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it just lights on the specific.
That's cool.
It lights the whole line. That's
Super
insane.
rainbowy.
Okay.
Is that?
That's
no, it's
wild.
like going like back and forth.
Yeah.
It's a slow rainbow.
Like a flag. It's like a square.
It's like going around.
yeah,
in a
that's
circle.
cool.
That's like a rainbow unicorn cube. And back to the beginning.
Function minus or underscore.
Okay.
Adjust the breathing speed.
Oh, I
Do
bet.
that,
I bet
it-
that's slower. That's faster.
Yes, that's what it is.
It is definitely a lot slower now.
Okay. And then the last one, function arrow keys up and down do the change of color.
Oh.
It says white, blue, purple,
So it's just like a solid color.
yellow. Yep. Blue, red, red. Okay, so let's have it on red
Okay.
for Vader, just for the effects. There you go.
Close to it. That's close enough. Would you recommend these to people?
Heck yeah, I would. This is awesome. Yeah,
Cool. Especially, I mean, it's your first mechanical keyboard.
it's true. It does the clickety clack. I like the
Yeah.
clickety
So
clack. Buttons feel
in
good.
in meetings and stuff, like if you're working and this just happens to be your keyboard, you can annoy everybody by typing.
Yes, the whole time. Everyone will know if you're working during a meeting. Everyone will know. I can't wait to use it. I'm really excited. It feels good.
Hopefully, we'll get to use it right after this video.
Literally, when this video ends, we'll be using it.
All right. Well, if you like that video, do us a favor, hit that like button, please. Don't forget to subscribe and
Of course, hit the bell so you're notified anytime a new video is posted.
heck yeah. Share. It helps us out a lot. We put it on Facebook every Tuesday when they come out. Help out if you shared it too.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. See you next time.
We'll see Trevor next time.
Trevor!